Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. This is coming from our Wednesday Junk Journal Wednesdays with Luisa on My Crafty Boutique Co. here on YouTube. Again, I'll leave her link in the description box below. I just wanted to come and share what we were working on today. These are our junk journal covers that we created today. And I shared some cut up cereal boxes last Wednesday. This time, this is what we did. I covered it with some of the papers that came from the D-Stash. And this is Barnwood Pretty 3. You get 60 designs of the papers. I love it. Each color has the same designs. So there's many options. I chose several of the papers to add into this journal. And let me share what else I did. So I used the pink Barnwood small floral print to cover the outside of the journal. I also added some book corners. I picked these up on Amazon. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting. This is like a rose gold. It's hard to show you the colors. There we go. There it is. It's a rose gold, like a light copper. And also because I don't like different metal colors, I will take this off and color it with some rose gold metallic markers that I have. Let me see. I hope I still have. Uh-oh, maybe not. I have oh, here it is. It's the Deco color. Uh-oh. Maybe not. You got to use your stash because it goes bad. So this is the Deco color premium prime. Oh, premium, I should say. And you're supposed to shake. There it is. Got to loosen it up. I'll take that off and color it up. So this is more of the color of the book corners. I also used some pink eyelets from my stash. Now, this gave me a little bit of a hard time because my hole puncher wasn't the right size. This is one of the larger eyelets. I could have gone with a smaller one, but again, I didn't have the right colors. So just really trying to use my stash. I might go ahead and take this off later off camera, color it up, and then also make sure I cover my elastic part. So I don't want it, I want the elastic underneath that metal plate there. So anyway, that's what I did. And then I also worked on my inserts. I don't have anything fancy on them. It's just printer paper mainly and the Hobby Lobby paper. This is not cardstock, so it's lightweight. So I can show you what I did to create this page, but I have the Hobby Lobby paper and then some printer paper and then another one, and they're all folded as if like a pocket or some sort, and then a printer paper, and then, you know, you get the gist. This is just printer paper that I had colored with my acrylic paint with the water. And then, yeah, it goes on and on. And then here's a fold out with a pocket on the inside. And then we have a printer paper, and blah, 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 blah. Just keeps repeating, okay? And that's the center of my insert. And that's without adding any other ephemeras and specialty papers. But, yeah, you could watch the replay, or let me show you actually. I'll just use one of these papers. It don't matter, there's so many in this paper pad. Okay, 12 by 12 sheet. And you want to put it in your scoreboard with the top of the page, whatever you want your top to be, up against the score mark. And then you just, what I use, my measurements for the inserts are 4 1/4 by 7 inches long. So I'm going to go 4 1/4 and go all the way down the 12-inch, and then go 8 1/2. And then this is the top, so we want to rotate it so that you go down to the bottom. This becomes your bottom of the page at 7 inches. I scored at 7 inches, and then I scored at 10 inches. All right. And then my paper trimmer really is terrible right now, so I used my ruler and a blade, cutting knife, and you just line up the ruler and cut off this edge. You don't need it. Okay. And then we're done with that ruler. Let's get my scissors. I'll show you the back side so you can see the folds right here. And down here are going to be our pockets. So I'm going to cut from here just a little bit and then into the corner. And we want to stop where the line intersects, where it crosses each other. And then I'm going to cut this off. You can keep it as a pocket, but I think it's a lot. You don't really need another pocket. Just to the next intersection, and then we're going to cut up at an angle. So now we have a trapezoid shape. I just cut that out. And now I want to, it doesn't have to be perfect. I was using my corner rounder, corner chomper, but because I cut this at an angle, it's not any good. You want to just make sure you cut off that section right there, the inner cross. Okay. Then we fold these up. Now, mind you, this is single-sided paper. It's okay. If you want to cover it, that's fine. But I figured if we're doing junk journaling and stuff, we can have spots to either journal on, or you could add in any of your ephemeras to cover up the white space. So now we're just folding that on the score marks, and that's it. That becomes our little page to add to our insert, like that. Okay. I also took my corner chomper, making sure I don't cut the corners on this one right here. I want to cut the outside corners. So here, oops, gonna use the 1/2 inch size and chomp off the corner like that. And so now all my papers are trimmed and ready to go into the insert like this. This breaks up my patterns, but it's okay. Just add more printer paper to the center. And once I'm set with how I like it, I'll probably stitch the insert. That way the pages don't come falling out. I may or may not, I don't know. But I do like making things that I could take in and out of my journal. So that's what it looks like, guys. I just need to make one more. Since I made one for this, I got to make one for this, so they're pretty even. I also made this short because this is 5 inches from the cover. My cover is 5 inches across by 8 inches tall, and I have a 2-inch spine, and my insert is 1/2 inch short, so that when I add my trim, it could still fit inside the cover. It won't be sticking out as much. I know it will stick out, but you see how there's a lot of space right here. And also I have space on the top. It's only like a 1/2 inch. It's about a 1/2 inch. Yep, 1/2 inch from the top and 1/2 inch from the bottom. That way I have space for like paper clips and stuff like that. But look at that, it's already filling up. I only have 2 inserts, but yeah, more than enough. I could add a third, but I don't know. I don't think I want to. It's a lot. I may add a closure going further on, but for now, this is what it looks like. I hope you join us on Wednesdays with Luisa on My Crafty Boutique on her channel. We will be working junk journal stuff. We'll be experimenting with things and stuff like that, ephemera, whatever. There is no rhyme or reason to it. We just love junk journals, so we figured we'd do a series on the junk journals. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope to see you all on my next crafty video. Oh yeah, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family, and while you're there, hit the notification bell right there, and that will let you know when I go live here on my channel or when I load a new video like this. So yes, thank you all again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.